or descending orders with considering with the different values to grow case. And you can also filter out these if we don't want to SSBC. So just to click on that and you cannot get the SSBC values. So the filter rows, you can see the from the filter rows you want to be specified, and you want to be replace some of the values. Let's take some of the values you don't want in the sales in million. Just to click on this replace value. You can see which value you have to replace, find it and replace it. And you can also use the first row as a header. Use first row as a header. Yeah, you are using first row as a header. You can see. So I don't want change the type again, and the promoter header is also going to be change type that, and filtering the rows what you have. So splitting some of the columns is also very important by using the number of characters, number of the position. If you suppose just click on the number of the position, it will ask which position you want to be changed, the splitting of the column. Yeah, just a second, it's going to be loading out. So these are the simple operations in the home tab we are going to perform. You can see here I have position for 0, 3, which going to be tells about how many columns it is split corresponding to the. If I click OK, if I click OK, you can see 0.3 point of the split is going to be separated with corresponding to two different columns what we had. Okay, so you can also play around with split column, removing some of the columns, choose the columns only. You have to be go some of the columns and choose that advanced editor going with some of the properties. And so you can also preview the data along with the enter data, close and apply. So in this class we can also see the transformation tab. What are the different transformation tabs we had, and operations is going to be helpful in some other tables. So I have a table called order. So I have a table called order. In this one, what I have to do, I have different operations here, such as a group by. If suppose I just click on my group by, so you can see I have row ID, order date, split date. So I'm just considering these four columns for now. You can select the columns by using your control. So I'm selecting this and this by using the group by. You can see here row id, order date and also shift date. You can also see something more is also there, delete or move up or move down. So basically it tells about new column name you want to be showcased as a some of the count you want to be specified, or you want to be specified some of the minimum or the maximum operations or some counts. I'm just taking as average so that it will be easier for us to understand. So the row id I'm just taking as average. Okay, so I'm just clicking OK here. You can see here grouping all the rows with corresponding to the, you can see the count of these row id I'm taking as average with respect to the each and everything. So this is very simple to understood once you go with some of the flow with a group by operations. And also you can see here, use the flow first as a header. We have already seen in the home tab, right? So yeah, this is also same operation.